how to fix Roblox connection error. So I'm going to show you 3 fixes. For the first one, we want to exit out of Roblox. Now just scroll down here and make sure you are using a stable internet connection. So if you're using your data connection, try to connect to Wi-Fi and see if that fixes it for you. So that was the very simple and first solution. Now for the second solution, we will need to go into our settings here. And what we want to do is actually, I'm just going to go all the way back to my settings. So just scroll down so we get the search bar and search for Roblox here. We want to click on the Roblox application itself. And then make sure this is toggled on. So cellular data, if this is toggled off, you want to toggle this on. And even if it's toggled on, you want to untoggle both of these like this for a second, and then you want to toggle both of these on. Now that was the second fix. And for the last fix here, from the settings again, we will just search for offload unused apps, and we want to find Roblox in this list. Click on Roblox, offload app, and then you will get the option to reinstall. So just click on reinstall, give it some time to reinstall Roblox onto your phone, and then I'll show you that this loads up the game and it's not going to log you out of your account or anything like that. So just give it some time here. I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna go to Roblox, and as you can see now my game works. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.